Young woman gone missing in Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 24-year-old Janelle Ritchie, otherwise called Jen, of Dayton of Portmore, St. Catherine, has been missing since Friday, October 28th. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall, and has a small lump on the wrist of her right hand. Reports are that Janelle was last seen at work at around 4 p.m., dressed in a dark and white blouse, a brown skirt, and black shoes. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Janelle Ritchie has been asked to contact the Portmore Police at 876-989-2422, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.